We'll see if we can draw this quilt rack. I bet we build it, it looks better than what we draw. Well, there it is. I believe I can build better than that. Hello everybody. Hope everybody's doing good today. It's sure a beautiful day here. We're gonna go out here to the shop and build something. My daughter's wanting a, it looks like a antique little 3-step ladder that you lean up to hang quilts on. We're gonna see what we can do. Alright, this will be a lot better. I can get some breeze coming through here now. This here's the wood we're going to use. It's a piece of cherry. I think it's a real pretty piece. It's got a little water staining on it, but I think that'll plane out and look real good. It's been air dried probably for a year, close to it. It's some that we sawed on the mill. I started to use the skill saw, but I think I'll use the miter saw. We'll cut it 53 or 4 and see what it looks like. We can always cut it off and make it shorter. It's gonna get loud in here. We'll mark it 54 inches. When I put my spectacles on. There we go. Now I take the table saw and rip it into 3 pieces. Get the fence on it. This fence weighs a ton. Our board's 7 3/4 wide. So I believe we can make that about 2 1/2 right at it. Get that set on 2 1/2. That's almost there now. It's gonna get loud. Reckon how wide that needs to be for a quilt to hang over there. I hate to get it too wide, but you think 16 inches? I believe you can get a quilt folded up and hung over 16 inches. I've got me a 16-inch mark made here. We're going to cut us 3 of them 16 inches. I screwed me a block down here for these to butt against. If you watch one of my older videos, I show how to do that. Let's see what the hand plane will do. May have to get the big planer, I don't know. I believe that'll do pretty good. Let me do the rest of them and be back with you. Well, it don't look nothing like a picture. I got it marked on the edges here where the shelf's gonna go in at. We're gonna draw a line here, or put us 2 marks where we're gonna drill the holes 3/4 in. We're gonna use this countersink drill bit. That should make a plug out for, I'm gonna probably put some walnut plugs in it. should do it. That's a big enough hole for a good sized plug. Drill the rest of these holes and we'll put her together. If you happen to be making one of these and doing it out of cherry, I would pre-drill as much as I could. Anything you're making out of cherry, I would try to pre-drill it. I've had a lot of bad experiences with cherry making things. It makes some beautiful stuff, but it splits real easy. I've had projects just almost done and then bust something on it and have to redo a lot of it. I'm going to screw mine together with these 2-inch sheetrock screws. Square-headed one. It'd be fine for this. Like I said, I'm going to plug these holes with some walnut. Here's one we've been looking for. I've looked for this one all day. You know which one it is? It's the last one. And usually it'll give you the most trouble. Man, that drill's loud. That's them cheap bits. Magnet ain't strong enough for nothing. Well, let's see what it looks like standing up. Well, I reckon that right there is what it does. Leans up against the wall and holds some quilts. I've never seen nothing but a picture. She sent me a picture and said, "Daddy, can you make me this?" And that was about a year ago. And the other day she sent me another picture and said, "Don't forget me on this." So I figured it was time for me to make it. She's waited a year. If you know anything that'll make that look real good and antique looking, I think's what she's wanting. Put it in the comments. It started out cool this morning, but it's gotten warm now. I got plumb hot. Like I said, I had to close this door. That heat was coming in. The sun sets over there and shines right up in here. A lot cooler with the door down. Well, I hope she likes this. I thank y'all for watching. If you're still here and watching it now, I really thank you. I give you a thumbs up because most of my viewers cash out in about a minute and a half. I'm trying to get better. Anything that y'all know that you can tell me to help my videos, put it in the comments. I'm up for any suggestions. I thank y'all for watching. This is Burnt Church. I'll see you in the next one.